this is Sash, back from another video with Collabrains, and in today's video, we're going to be going through the first 5 stages of a Flappy Bird game, coding it on Hour of Code. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is open your browser and go ahead and look up Hour of Code. And the first link that you see, which is code.org, you're going to go ahead and click on that. So over here, code.org is a place where you can learn, teach, or look at other people's projects related to coding for grades 1 all the way till high school. And so today we're just going to go ahead and click on all grades, and you'll see different projects here. And we're going to go ahead and click on Make a Flappy Game. And then you click Start. And a tutorial pops up, and we're not going to watch this tutorial now, but if you want to learn more about Flappy Bird and how to code it, then you can go ahead and watch it. So here, this is going to be our basic page where we're coding. As you can see, there's 10 different stages, and today we're just going to go through the first 5 of them. So the first instruction is attach a block to the when click block. So that's this one. Then press run. Click or tap the screen to move Flappy to the target. Alright, so we're gonna do when click, so that means when I click my cursor, we want it to flap, and we want it to play a wing sound. Alright, so now that we've attached the block to the when click block, we're gonna go and we are gonna run it. Alright, and it says tap or click. So we're going to click, and as you can see, it's flapping and the wing sound is playing. And you just have to keep pressing it until you get to the target. So now we're going to go on to exercise 2. So now you've added some ground. Attach a block to the when hit the ground block. Your code needs to end the game when Flappy crashes. So like in a regular Flappy game, when the bird hits the ground, you die. So that's what end game is going to do. So when the bird hits the ground, we're going to go and attach this on there, which says end game. So now we're going to run it again, but this time we're going to try to die to see if our code works. And that worked. As soon as we hit the ground, it said game over, and we move on to the next exercise. So challenge number 3 is the when run block. So the when run blocks allows you to run code when your game starts. Try setting the level speed and flapping to the target. So this is the run block. So everything that comes under this happens when we click the run button. So when it's run, I want to set the speed. Let's do slow speed. And then this is all going to stay the same. And we're going to see how this works. And as you can see, it's actually moving now, which is pretty cool. And now we're just going to try to hit the target so that it moves us to the next level. Alright. And now we're on challenge number 4. Challenge number 4 is where we get into the real part of Flappy Bird with the obstacles. So Flappy will fly through obstacles unless you write code to make him crash. So attach a block to the when hit an obstacle block. Your code needs to end game when Flappy crashes into the first set of pipes. So what we're going to do is when run, so the speed's going to be normal this time. We're going to click flap, play the wing sound, and when we hit an obstacle we want to die. So we're going to end game when we hit an obstacle. Alright, let's try running our code. And as soon as I hit an obstacle, we died. Alright, this is going to be our last challenge for this video. I might make a future video with the last 5 challenges and how to do those. So let's add a scoreboard and count points when Flappy makes it past obstacles. Add to the when pass an obstacle block and score a point by flapping through the first set of pipes. So every time we go through the pipes, we want to score a point, right? So then it tallies how many points we get at the end. And when we click, we're going to put the wing sound. Let's make it slow this time. Or let's try very slow. Alright. Run that. And we made it through the pipes, so we scored a point. Alright, that's all for this video, and as you can see, there's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 that I might do in another video, but for now we're going to stop this video, and I'll see you guys later.